the bed of the robot, and I'll have the filter in here.
Cool.
It's dirty.
Yeah.
Put it back in. And also upside down is this thing can hold this so it doesn't fall out. And also these are spinning things that can suck the dirt into here and here. And these are the bumpy wheels that can go up above the carpet a little bit. And this thing can come off.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Don't lose it.
And this is the wheel. And then sometimes it just pops right on. And then
And what kind is that?
shark. And I'm gonna show you the shark robot. Has filter in here. Dirty.
Little, yeah, it's dirty.
Yeah, so dirty. Filter. We'll push this to punch it like this, and it comes out.
Cool.
And also, this slides back in, and then these are the brushes. These are two brushes that can suck in here and here.
And what kind is that?
Shark air robot. This is the Shark LEL robot.
Oh, okay.
This is the iRobot Roomba 690. And this is the bin. I'll see we emptied it. And on the bottom. And I really don't have a brush.
Fell off.
I lost it. And also these can come out. See? These can come out too. And they're like that to open. Eufy 25C. So,
What kind is that one?
Eufy 25C.
Oh.
And this. Then this comes out.
Oh.
There's a lot of hair.
Yeah, it looks pretty dirty.
Yeah. And this can also come off like that.
Oh, wow.
And then this can come off. What's that noise?
Dad.
Now, so this is the wheel right here. Wheel. Now, so this thing.
What kind is that one?
Okay, 3 plus. These are brush. They just slide in. They're kind of tricky to get in. Then I'll open it and close it. And then this is the bin.
Oh, looks dirty.
I know. Open it like that. And that's all my robots, Mama.
That's great.
And And Mommy, now I get to send them home.
Okay. Send them home.
Okay. Ready, set,